What did you expect motherhood to be like?
I think as a midwife I was expecting it to be really easy. I thought it would come to me naturally, but actually when it came to it I was a bit like a deer in the headlights. I thought it was going to be much easier than it was.
I expected it to be familiar, especially because it was my third baby, and I'm also a midwife, so I guess I expected it to be easier than what I was finding it.
I thought motherhood would be like an extension of myself. I expected it to be natural, and I was mostly focused on the physical changes.
Powerful, empowering, warmth, and all-encompassing.
Transformative, challenging, fulfilling, like unlocking a new level of life.
Incredible and exhausting. I think the thing that I really didn't expect was how much it was going to completely undo me, but then rebuild me as a way stronger person.
I expected motherhood to be a romantic birth with so much support and love around us. I expected to have the opportunity to give my child all the things I didn't have.
What was your reality of motherhood?
Felt lost, quite isolated, fearful, and felt like I was walking through fog. I really lost myself in the process.
It was not easy. I felt really overstimulated and I was overwhelmed. There was this sort of constant noise in my head.
Motherhood for me was coldless days, sleepless nights, constant scarcity and sore boobs. I remember feeling guilt constantly, smashing the day, completing all these tasks, being productive, but still feeling like I hadn't done enough by the end of the day. That was my reality.
How bad did it get?
I mean, I wasn't prepared for the grief of losing my baby, Wilf. There was, of course, the emotional pain, but the thing I remember specifically was the physical pains, the pain in my jaw that I had, the pain in my chest that I felt. It was very visceral.
It got to the point where I truly believed that the only way for my boys to live happy and healthy lives was without me in them.
What needs to change about how we talk about motherhood and mental health?
I think we need to stop pretending that it's either all joy or all struggle. I think it can absolutely be both, and sometimes even at the same time. I think it's really important as well to create a really safe space for women to have a good old rant about motherhood. It's really, really hard, and I think actually just opening up that conversation is just going to help every single mother.
I think in our conversations about motherhood, there needs to be less stigma and shame, especially for mental health. There's an idea that it's a failing of some kind or that it makes you a bad mother. But I think by sharing these stories, it makes it something less to be ashamed of.